All right, YouTube, what is good? It's your boy ZT Zoomin, and we are back booming, and it's time to get the black wrap off the front of my car. We are going to start the process of getting this front end wrap. I've got the clear bra already. Nice. I think something else I'm probably gonna do to you guys is go ahead and get the rest of the car ceramic coated. I had it on my SS. It really just keeps a lot of the sheen. Wow. We just got the wrap off, man. At this point, it's been longer that I've had the wrap on than off. I forgot how freaking good the orange looks from the front. Why did I have the black wrap on all this time? I've got no idea. I was tripping. So we'll get this wrap off. I need to get the front washed, and then we will be getting the clear bra on. Now I'm gonna go with my brush and get every crack and crevice cleaned out. I took that brush basically anywhere like plastic meat you need to get in there, in between the bumper and headlight. Now we need to clay bar everything. I was feeling everything with my hand, and I can feel just a lot of debris stuck all in the paint. We'll get that out with the clay bar. Then after that, we'll be buffing. Alright, so what the clay bar does is it gets it all smooth. I don't know if you guys saw me at the end, but rubbing everything to make sure it's smooth because it touched. So the polish I'm using is this McGuire's Ultra Finishing Polish, the 205s, and then I got a light foam pad. I like the foam pad. You guys use what you want. Alright, you guys, let's see if we can get a full understanding. I mean, you could kind of see me there. Look at the side I just polished. Much clearer. I don't know if it comes across on camera. Cool. Alright, you guys, so we freaking got it done. We got all of the front end polished. It all came out really good, super glossy. Damn, this orange is hitting. I'll probably end up putting the clear bra on tomorrow, but everything is prepped. We are ready to go. Let's get it, you guys. So nice to be getting this done finally. All right, here we go, you guys. Today is the day. See, we got the front end shined up. I have got my clear bra right here. We will get this applied today. I'm definitely a little bit nervous about it. I don't know how much I'll be recording. Maybe I'll just have a camera going like in the background or something, because I'm not a professional at this by any means. I don't want you guys to take my recommendations. It's my first time. I'm learning. I'm gonna take my time, and let's get it. Let's go.
I'm only talking fly shit in the posits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the sauce drip. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit in the posits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the sauce drip. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted.
What I'm trying to do right now is just establish one clean line on this bumper, kind of going across here, and then I'll stretch everything else on.
Look, I'm manifested where I'm at. The credit card just up the max, and everything I do, I tax is hard to buy my time. They see me shining, my paint dripping, I'm acting different. I keep it modest till I turn up, I've been champagne sipping. They clock watch while I big boss and a flossing proper. I'm quick to slide like a slip, not ducking cops and robbers.
That look good. So I established a good line going across this bumper piece here because it sticks out the furthest. I'm extremely happy with how I got it to lay on this upper section. I thought that was going to be the hardest. I was able to stretch it, so I'm going to start smoothing things out right now. I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera off for a little bit. I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. Let's get it. If you guys can see it here, I've got it laid smoothly all across this upper lip, which I was really tripping about. Got it laid cleanly all in these sections here. Got it attached all on the sides there. As you can see now, we have got the front grills cut out. The bottom section, I ended up having to cut it there. Not totally happy about it. Probably got a little bit impatient, but damn, it is a bitch to get it to tug inside of this friggin' bumper. First timer, learning, taking it slow, taking hella long, but we're getting there. Let's keep working, we'll keep getting it. Been a couple hours now, but hey, if I actually get this on here and it looks halfway clean, I'm gonna be extremely happy. It's for protection anyway, so it don't need to look the best. Now in spots like this, you can see I cut it. Camera's not quite picking it up, so this section in the middle is going to come back up, and I'm just going to lay a piece in there. It's not perfect, but it's protected. It is a tedious, long process. This stuff doesn't like to stick when it's wet. It's hard to let it dry, then to get it to stick. Just, it's a headache. If you guys wrap, you guys know. If you haven't wrapped, you probably won't even try it. So it is what it is. I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. It's time to go ahead and start taking some of the excess off.
Been on the wave, you can't tame. They press and play to play me. And I'm out of body, my vibration high, I'm levitating. I feel amazing, I'm keeping space away from them toxins. I'm going places, I'm gassed up, ain't no limitation. Headed where that tree in that weather, got my melanin popping. Whip with the leather, the softest. What the fuck a humble brag. I'm bad boy with that cash, ready to spaz. I splash the dash, digital rag.
Alright y'all, so I got this done. I ended up cutting down here a little bit. I'm not a professional, it is what it is. We got this pillar put on. Now I need to clean up this side. I got polish from when I did that side. I got soap spots. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this window cleaned up, get this pillar cleaned up, and then we are also going to be doing this upper section here. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna cut it. As you guys know, we've already got the clear bra down on the lower rocker panel there, but I need to get this metal section because kind of like from here to here, I still get marks in there in terms of rock chips and stuff like that.
My mind ain't yet hit its prime. They ask me when I'm quitting. Decline to answer, I'm unbothered, I'm kind-minded. But fuck a body in the way, cause I've been moving at a rate where any day the fuse gon' burn out. Then I blow up, then we go up, tell a hater, so what? It's in my veins, I'm cold-blooded and function, I'm flawless, I'm manufactured different. They carbon copy, they sloppy, I'm everlasting with it. I'm legendary, it's very scary, I'm seeing this through the finish.
So I'm gonna let this one keep drying. Up here is done. I mean, you can't even see it. You can see the seam there. When it's a flat surface, it is cake to lay it down. Let's get it. Now we're gonna knock out the upper section of these quarter panels. You can see I cut a curved edge right there to kind of go right there, make it look a little bit better.
This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted. Perfect. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she.
All right, y'all. Here it is. This is the last day. We are back out here again. Now I'm just going to be doing a final trimming because I've got like overhang on all the edges and stuff here. Need to get a final trimming on the side mirror here. Even these ones we laid on the side, I need to come back and trim it along here. I just like to let mine dry for a day. That way it sticks good. Damn, I love looking at this LT4.
Cool young nigga from the middle, kick raps like riddles, got game wrapped up like Reynolds, kush packed like Skittles, move like I'm supposed to be, I chose to be this lit. Shorty at the show just wanna get close to me and pose for me, then flick. And to be honest, girl, that's cool with me. Hey, your ass at home in my teeth.
The main reason I wanted all this stuff done is to protect it when I drive. I'm telling you guys, it's been keeping me from doing reaction videos, taking people for drives. I don't really like driving in rocks, stressing on the freeway. Just want to protect my paint. Look how filthy this mug is. It's time for a motherfucking car wash. Out here washing my car. Realized I forgot to cut that side marker out, so we'll get to it. The clear bra is kind of crazy. You'd almost think it was ceramic coated the way that the water runs out. right off just like a ceramic coating. All right, y'all, so it looks like this whole video is about to be filmed on my iPhone. I grabbed my camera right there, flipped it open, forgot my memory card. So, hey, this is the footage you guys getting. It's all good, though. It just makes the color look a little bit darker than it is. But the back, I mean, you guys probably can't even see where the actual clear bra is on there. So super happy with how that came out in the back. So on the side mirror still, I'm gonna end up taking this back off. I'm really not even sweating it. I think I said that before in the video. That'll end up coming off. That's why I didn't stress over it too much. Now I do have a couple of spots in the front looking super clean, but anyways, a couple spots in the front like this. It's kind of like water and air trapped underneath there. Now when I applied it down on the rocker panels before, I had like a little bit of moisture and even a couple of bubbles in there, and after like a week they all disappeared. Kind of hoping, I don't know if it evaporates out of there or what happens exactly. I'm kind of hoping it turns into a non-issue, but if I do still have like those little spots, even up here, you can kind of see them. They really stand out now that like it's gotten hot and there's a little bit of moisture. They look like kind of white. They didn't look like that in the garage. But anyways, I'll just pop them with like a little needle or something like that. Allow the air to escape, allow the water to escape, whatever it is. But overall, I'm extremely happy with it. And it's crazy, like just from me driving around town to go get the car wash and then coming over here to film this for you guys, my car is snapping necks again. Like, I don't know, when I had the black wrap on, sure, you get a lot of people that like it. You get a lot of people that freaking running close in this Yaris. You get a lot of people that like it. You get a lot of people that like know what it is or whatever, and they'll snap their neck or like kind of look at it. But now it's like I got the casual car people that don't even like cars like that snapping their neck to take a look at this. It's crazy, and the color just pops, and the way that the clear bra makes it look, I mean, it almost looks like, I don't know, like I ceramic coated it. It like adds an extra level of glossiness in there. I don't know if that's really standing out to you guys, but yeah. Look, I got another one right there, if you can see it, but it's almost on the edge. Let's see if I can work that one out, and boom, just like that, work that one out of there. So I got little things like that. It's not perfect. I'm not a professional by any means, never claimed to be. And you guys know I always keep it a buck with you on here. So I got one little thing here. Now what happened is where this like crease is in the bumper, I had a giant bubble all the way across, and it was just a headache to get up out of there. So I had to make a little slit in the clear bra to allow all the water, allow all the air and everything to escape out of there. I thought I'd be able to work it back flat, but I honestly think as I was working the air out, I stretched the PPF a little bit, and so I've got like a little bit of slack there that creates a crease. So it's not perfect, you guys. It's not perfect at all. I may end up reapplying this one day. Oh well, not a big deal. It looks a hell of a lot better than what the freaking black did. So you know what, I'll take it. It's protected. Not perfect, but it's protected. Protected by far is more important to me. I wouldn't have ran around with that freaking wrap on my car for so damn long if all I cared about was how that it looks. I think the next step, you guys, I want to protect the rest of the paint. Probably ceramic coating. That's what's next. It's super easy to polish your car down, get the ceramic coating on. Side markers looking super clean. I'm just loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Now when I go and I take pictures that I post on my IG, I don't gotta show you guys nothing but back shots anymore. I could actually post the front of my damn car. And honestly, like, the front of the car is half the reason you buy this motherfucker, man. The orange looks so much more aggressive. I feel like the black, even on like pictures and stuff, it's like it took away from how aggressive the front end looked, because it just all looks dark up here. Some people love black, some people love the stealth, whatever. That wasn't me. I like mine popping. But that's gonna do it for this video. This your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm about this thing, baby. Hey.